This simple, unadorned temple in the heart of New Delhi was once home to Mahatma Gandhi, widely considered the father of the modern Indian nation and a potent global symbol for non-violent resistance.
This is the platform where Gandhi used to hold his prayer meeting. This became, while he was here, the center, the political nerve center.
Gandhi remains a political icon for many Indians, celebrated for his role in the long struggle against British colonial rule. Here, his personal belongings are carefully preserved and his portrait worshipped every morning and evening.
He is the Bapu, the father of the nation, a symbol for all our struggles for social justice, for economic equality, today even for the environment.
A humble barrister from the East Indian state of Gujarat, Gandhi rose to become a figure of adoration. Revered equally by world leaders and the masses, he became one of the most photographed figures of his time. 73 years after independence, the legend of Gandhi lives on in his country. But while his image may be everywhere, modern Indian society has become increasingly divided over his legacy.
वो इंडिया के लिए उस टाइम के आयरन मैन या स्पाइडरमैन थे, रक्षक थे भारत के, जिनकी वजह से आज ये देश आज़ाद है।
उन्हीं के जरिए से रोटी खा रही दुनिया, है ना?
He is being badly missed by all of us who believe in civil rights.
आजकल उनके विचार इतने रेलेवेंट नहीं हैं।
कुछ लोग उनके बारे में अच्छा बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग बुरा बोलते हैं, so why to offend someone?
Today, some are even willing to go so far as to outrightly denounce the Mahatma.
ये अमर हुतात्मा नाथूराम गोडसे हैं, जिन्होंने गांधी नामक दानव का वध किया था।
Gandhi's assassin Nathuram Godse was a member of a militant right-wing organization called the Hindu Mahasabha. He believed in the idea of a Hindu nation and was upset by Gandhi's sympathies for the country's vast Muslim population. Gandhi's assassination in 1948 pushed a newly democratic India into a state of mourning. Godse was sentenced to death and became a reviled figure in history. But now he's witnessing a revival. Today, many in the Hindu Mahasabha openly praise Gandhi's assassin as a patriot and a martyr.
महात्मा गांधी था, उसने देश का बंटवारा करवाया और लाखों व्यक्तियों का कत्लेआम करवाया। तो उस समय नाथूराम गोडसे जी ने निर्णय लिया, हिंदू महासभा ने निर्णय लिया कि ऐसे व्यक्ति को इस धरती पर से उठा देना चाहिए। वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में उन्हें बड़ा पसंद किया जाता है और उन्हें बड़ा अच्छा माना जाता है। तो फिर वेस्टर्न कंट्री हथियार क्यों खरीद रहे हैं? वो हथियार को क्यों मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं? फिर तो उन्हें गांधी जी की नीति के अनुसार गुलाब के फूल लेके चलना चाहिए।
This may sound like the ramblings of a fringe group, but in fact, many current leaders, including the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, have openly paid homage to key figures in the Hindu Mahasabha. But Gandhi's continuing popularity means that he cannot be easily dismissed by the state. For sociologist Sumit Maksar, the present government's attitude to Gandhi is often contradictory.
On one hand, they hate Gandhi like anything, but what they hate him for is the partition of this country. For the Hindu right wing, their idea of India was this greater India, which would encompass today's Pakistan and Bangladesh as well. On the other hand, they really like Gandhi for his invoking of the civilizational values.
In recent decades, Gandhi's writings have also been more critically analyzed by minority groups and those fighting against India's caste system.
Gandhi will always be remembered, or he will always stay the father of nation, but only of one particular kind of nation, which actually goes back to the civilizational past, which was very much oppressive, which was exploitative, which was very much against the Dalits, the other backward caste, and women in general. So Gandhi will pretty much remain the father of that nation.
The young nation that Gandhi fathered in his own image is witnessing a turbulent adolescence today, polarized and divided along caste, religion, and political beliefs. But for a country that's less than 75 years old, Gandhi's message of non-violence and plurality may still survive into adulthood.